Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 3 tutorial on how to add Popeye Hub by mRaCTIVE8, and right now we are on step 3, part 3, setup guide for Wi-Fi routers users, Netgear only. As I am using Netgear myself, so I can help you out with Netgear. So what we are gonna learn is port forwarding and setting in Apex DC++. So let's do it. Open the internet browser and log into your Wi-Fi router. My IP to log in Wi-Fi router is 192.168.1.1. Okay, now that's the model I'm using, Netgear. Admin is my login ID and my password is blah blah blah. It's blah 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 login. Okay, now we are getting logged into my Wi-Fi router. These are the settings. You can see all the settings. Here is port forwarding. Okay, you can see here. Click on it. Port forwarding and port triggering. Now the machine which is connected to this Wi-Fi router, the server IP address for this machine is 192.168.1.2. One is my Wi-Fi router and 2 is this machine where I am connected. See these settings: HTTP service name, start port 80 and port 80, HLDS 27000, 27015. This is the settings of port forward for the users, those who are using to create CS servers. This port forward will help them user get connected once they create the server. Now this is to play Counter-Strike. I have port forward this range of ports. This is my server IP address. For uTorrent, this is the port. This is my port. You have to check out what's your port and you have to forward that. And start port and end port for this uTorrent will be same. It won't be a range, it will be the same IP as HTTP 8080. And for Apex DC++, I have set up 1000 and 2000 port forward on this machine. If you want to add more, add custom service. As for example, let me tell you, if suppose this is Apex DC++, this will be TCP and UDP. It will be 1000, ending port will be 2000, and server IP address would be 2. That's my machine IP. And when I click on apply, it will get added to this list. Okay, you can see here Apex DC++ 1000. That's what you have to do to run all the applications via Netgear Wi-Fi router. It's very important to connect to Apex DC++, to run Counter-Strike HLDS and all the settings. So remember this in advance. There's the option called port forwarding and port triggering. You have to add custom services and add all these things. Just make a note and save it, restart your router, and you're done. Log out and you're done. As you've seen right now, in my Netgear router I have done a settings for apex DC, starting port 1000, ending port 2000. I have used it here in apex DC++. If you click on file, settings, you can see in connection settings, firewall with manual port forwarding, my TCP is 1000, UDP is 2000, and rest it's okay. 00 is okay. So this is the option you have to select if you are a Wi-Fi router user. Firewall with manual port forwarding, make sure this option is on, and whatever ports you have described in your Wi-Fi router, I have described it 1000 to 2000, a range of 1000 to 2000 actually. I have set it here and click OK, and you're done. Just reconnect and you will see your search results are working fine, downloads are working fine. Let's search something. Search for Mr. Activate. Okay. Oops. Mr. Okay. And file type any. Let's search and see. I get all the results, all the files shared by me right now, and the users holding this file sharing back. Thanks to all those who are sharing back my files, making the hub more fun. That's it. If you want to download anything, download it any way you want, and you're done. So this tutorial was for the Netgear Wi-Fi router user. Sorry, I am a bit sleepy right now. It's 2:40 AM in the morning, and all the 3 tutorials were made at night, 1 AM to 2:30 PM. So if there was any kind of mistake or was any kind of funny things, you can laugh, you can use my tutorials, have fun and enjoy. I hope this will help you. If there is any further questions, you can catch me on Hub. This is done. Bye.